Are you alone by choice or by circumstances? Downsizing alone can be very overwhelming. Downsizing after a significant life change, like a divorce or loss of a spouse, can be incredibly emotional. And it's okay to feel overwhelmed and uncertain. And while it's challenging to do this alone, it can also be really empowering. This is an opportunity to recreate your space and have it reflect who you are now, free of the past. Finding yourself alone at this stage can come with some financial stress. By downsizing now, you can reduce your housing costs, your bills, your maintenance costs, and it can free up some resources, even reduced ones, to creating new exciting adventures and activities that bring you joy. This is a fresh start, planned or not. So use it to let go of things and behaviors and people that no longer serve you and make room for new memories, new habits, relationships, and opportunities. Bottom line is, you don't have to go through this alone. There are thousands of us in very similar transitions. Together, we can move forward with strength and independence into this next phase, a rebirthing of sorts. Like I said, the biggest challenge of downsizing alone is, well, feeling alone. And that's why I created Downsizing for a Better Life, a workbook just to get you started. You can get it by clicking in the link in the bio or send me a hug emoji and I'll get it to you right away. Remember, you are not alone.